Congress history is country's history. Congress strength is country's strength. Congress party, Gandhi family has kept the Congress party united. That Congress has kept the country united. Otherwise, our country would have been broken into various pieces. Today, I am here to conclude this. I am not a good speaker. I didn't know Hindi. I was not a graduate when I contested election. When Rajuji gave me the election, I was just a final year degree student. That our Abhishek is telling that I am a young man. I am already 63. 8 continuous assemblies I have been representing. Almost 37 years I am in the assembly. But one thing I always remember, my basic motto: if you forget the root, you will not get the fruit. I would like to thank Abhishek Singhvi ji when I was being sent to Tihar jail. Abhishek Singhvi with his team of lawyers, Abhishek Singhvi ji, Kapil Sibal and Rohtgi ji. All three came, stood on the court. The court could not tell no to their voice, to their strength. They brought me out from Tihar jail. After Sonia ji came to visit me in Tihar for the first time, I think she had not seen Tihar jail. To save a party worker, she had come. I should salute her from this dais. After I came out, within a few months, few days, the Gandhi family, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, sat together and appointed me as the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President. I did not sleep for a day. I am telling you, with my heart and soul, with all of you. 3 years and hard, we brought a government with breaking a double-engine government. And the history is going on. I don't want to comment. I'm standing here as a Congress president still and being a deputy chief minister. Anyway, I thank again Abhishek Singhvi for this great opportunity he has got to all of you. It is not only a political agenda. It is all you have to join together, to work together. I said once again, joining together is the beginning. All of you thinking together is the progress. You all have to work together. Again in 2029, you have to bring back the country back to the shape. Today, Rahul ji, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, the message was clear, not to me, to all of you. What is said? Do you remember what is said? Every hospital needs a blood bank. Today, Constitution, under vote bank, and our right is under big danger. You have to protect that. The message was very clear. All the lawyers in this country who believe in democracy, who believe in this constitution, to have a advocate bank, legal bank in every assembly segment to save the right of every voter. This is what he is starting his voice on the 5th of August in Karnataka in the Freedom Park. It is my absolute privilege and honor to stand before you to concluding this valedictory address. Perhaps what is more dear to me to discuss on the commitment of the Indian National Congress. As I said, I have closely watched and heard all the distinguished speakers, thoughtful with big lot of great experiences. Though our leaders may not be advocates, but their experience, lawmakers, governors, chief ministers, party cadres, party office bearers, with their own experience, they have given us a lot of things. We have to take it back We have to deliver it back. Our generations are looking, our youngsters are looking. Why? To save this country and this constitution. Having started as a student leader, as I said you, I have gone through a lot of struggles, grown up, blessings from the party and all of you, wishes. As I entered, you wanted to echo me, give me strength. This is what the leaders look at, but still we have a commitment to all of you to see this country should be proud. Again, with lot of commitment, the Congress party has saved this country. The days will not be long. You all have to look at, have a proper agenda. In 2029, you should see that Rahul Gandhi will be the Prime Minister of this country. This is what your commitment should be. Show me a leader, show me a family which has compromised, which has sacrificed their life, which has sacrificed of power. That day, I think you all might be watching Srimati Sonia Gandhi, Abdul Kalam, the President of India. Two leaders said that she can't become the Prime Minister, we will shave her head. I don't want to tell their name. After she was being invited to the Prime Minister's office from the President, she said, power for me is not important. A Sikh, a minority who is an economist who can save this country should be the Prime Minister of this country. Is anyone in this world with such a big democracy a sacrifice for country? Are we sacrificing a small position, a panchayat fellow? Some ministers, some MLAs, we doesn't. We share power. But some of us never agree to share power, even at the panchayat level. That is what the Congress party has contributed to this country. Anyway, today, I don't want to discuss much. Today, we have a lot of aspirations, taking the state and the nation, the constitutional path laid down to the torch on office bearers in the Indian democratic policy. We follow the basic principle of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, the father of the constitution, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Maulana Azad, and our Iron Lady, Srimati Indira Gandhi, who took it forward, and now Shri Rahul Gandhi is taking. Today he was commenting, looking at a sister, telling her that one or the other day, we should not fear for it. We have to go to fire. We have to be in fire. Let us be in fire today itself for the sake of this country. Tell me one leader in this country who has shown this commitment, who has shown solidarity. He walked the streets of this country from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. In Karnataka, he was for 24 days. Wherever he walked from the streets of here, my friend Jayachandra is there, some of the legislators are here. Whichever constituency he covered, all the constituency, Congress party won their seat, and we are here in power. That is the strength he gave to this country. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I wholeheartedly thank the chairman of the legal department, Mr. Abhishek Singhvi, who is trying to give a new shape. But the message what Rahul Gandhi gave today under his leadership is the chairman. This should be inflated down to the assembly level. Your committee should be head there. These types of discussion should be there. In every booth, a voter list has to be looked at. Every worker has to be taken care. All sections should be protected. Then only the Congress party can come to power. India bloc can come to power. This is the commitment. This is the message you have to take together. On December 26th, last year, some of you participated. We were celebrating the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi ji taking over there as the Congress president. 100 years. But unfortunately, we lost Manmohan Singh ji that day. But what was our message? Jai Bhim, Jai Bapu, Jai Samvidhan. Is it not our commitment to this country? Is it not the message what the Congress party has given? Congress party has not given to our families. That is for the country. Today we believe the basic ideology of every leader who have been stood on those days. I'm very proud today, such a big gathering, educated luminaries who have been fighting for the cause of the common man, protecting, having a legal big strength. You are here and using. We are not only mere to talk about the Constitution, but to confront the uncomfortable truth that the very document which binds our democracy is being frayed. Not by foreign forces alone, but those entrusted with the stewardship of this country today. Congress believes that the Constitution is a vehicle of life and not just a legal document, as Baba Saheb Ambedkar warned us. He also warned that the effectiveness of this Constitution rules on the people of implementing it after the Constitution was being delivered. He said, it is when you implement it, it has to be, that has to be learned. The spirit of the Constitution lies its principle of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Today we are seeing liberty being replaced with subjudiction, equality with inequality, and fraternity with hostility. This is exactly what Dr. Ambedkar has warned. It is all coming true that the Constitution is constantly under attack. The attempt to subvert our secret document is not even concluded anymore. It is being done on the broad light. There are open and public calls to the border that the spirit of this Constitution. We look at the state of affairs today, it is very clear that 3 core principles of our Constitution, liberty, equality, and fraternity, all are threat. Let us all look at them one by one to save it. As I said about the sacrifice of the Gandhi family, we have to continue it. For whom? Not for themselves. It is for us, it is for you, and it is for the country. As a loyal congressman, the message today, what Rahulji, Mallikarjun Kharge gave today. Today, we should take this forward. It is your responsibility. Let us all join together on this issue again. This commitment, what has gone, what message has gone. All the leaders who are the chairmen of the legal fraternity who has come here, working under Abhishek Singhvi, should take to your states, to take to the districts, and take to the assembly level. Then only this big event which has taken place will have a meaningful, and that we should be you should give a proper timeline for this. Abhishek sir, you should give a timeline. Without giving a timeline, only coming here, meeting here, hurting us will not help us. Ultimately, the message has to go and protect the voters. So that commitment and values to protecting our nation from the forces and to alter the social fabric of this country. As a loyal congressman, my heart swells with pride to see this enormous contribution of my party in firstly gaining India its freedom, then after giving the greatest document on the history of mankind, Constitution of India as the past 75 years, protecting the spirit of our citizens, breathing and the air of the freedom of both thought and expression. It has really very absolute honor to me to be here. Though Abhishek said, DK, you can take any time you want. But I think you have heard a lot, you have discussed, you have to take homework. Anyway, I am so happy to be a part of this great event. Let us once again, whenever we get an opportunity, we should utilize to save our party. Without saving our party, you can't save this country. Without saving the country, you can't save the common man. Anyway, I would like to congratulate Abhishek and his entire team for organizing and all my friends for coming to this event. Thank you, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Congress.